Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Elizabeth Abdili. My number matric F1072.
And my name is Asha Humaira binti Mama Azmi. My matric number F1025. We are presenting about contract manufacturing.
Company backgrounds. Apple is a famous American technology company known for products like the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and Apple Watch. Is designed all its product is in the United States, but the manufacturing process is done by another company overseas. So my explanation is Apple is a well-known American technology company famous for its innovative products such as the iPad, iPhone, MacBook, and Apple Watch. The company design developed all its products in the United States, focus on creativity technology and use experiments. How the manufacturing process is not done in the USA. Instead, Apple offers product of the company overseas, especially in countries like China and India. This approach allows Apple to reduce costs, increase effective efficiency, and reaches global market more effective.
Next, I will explain the characteristic of contract manufacturing. First, it reduces production costs by using cheaper labor. Companies often outsource their production to countries where labor is less expensive. Second, it common in electronic, textile, and consumer goods. For example, many smartphone, toys, and clothing brands use this method to produce their products efficiently. Third, the company focus on design and branding. This means the main company doesn't handle product. Instead, it focuses on designing new products, building its brand image, and managing marketing and sales. Four, there is no company investment in production facilities. The company doesn't need to build its own factories or buy machinery. Lastly, the contract manufacturer produce according to specification.
Cost. This meaning that company does not need to spend a lot of money to build or buy factory in another countries. The company can ask another business to make the product, so it save money and reduce risk. Number 2, faster market entry. That means the company can start selling its product in another country more quickly because their use local manufacture. Production is faster and product can reach the market sooner.
Now I will explain the disadvantages of contract manufacturing. There is a risk of quality control problems. Since the company has less direct control over the production process, the product might not meet the required quality standard. This can lead to inconsistent quality or even defect if the manufacturer fails to follow the company expectation. Second, there is a risk of reputation damage if poor labor practices are exposed. If the manufacturer uses unethical practice, such as child labor or unsafe working conditions, it can negatively affect the main company's image. As a result, customers may lose trust or even boycott the brand.
And now I will talk about a real company that use the contract manufacturing model in interest in international business. The company I choose is Apple. It's a famous American technology company known for products like the iPhone, iPad, and MacBook. Apple design its product in the United States, but the product is done by another company such as Factor and Pacton in China and India. In the process, Apple gives the design quality and standard, while Foxconn and Pacton made assemble the product. This helped Apple to save costs in enter global market faster and focus on design and innovation instead of building its own factories. In conclusion, Apple use of contract manufacturing show how a company can grow in international will keep high quality and strong brand control.
Next, I will explain the justification of contract manufacturing. First, we have cost savings. Companies can reduce their production costs by outsourcing the manufacturers in countries where labor and material costs are lower. Second, contract manufacturing allows for a faster time to market. Established manufacturers have existing production systems that allow quicker launch of new products. Third, it offers reduced capital investment. The company doesn't need to build or maintain its own factories. In conclusion, contract manufacturing allows companies to reduce production costs, focus on design and branding, and avoid large capital investment. However, it also comes with risks such as quality control issue, dependency on supplier, and possible damage to reputation.
In our project, we learn many important things about international business, especially about contract manufacturing. We working together by sharing ideas, finding information, and help each other to complete the slide and presentation. Through this teamwork, we improve our communication, collaboration, and problem solving skill. We also learn how to listen to different opinions and respect each other's idea. Overall, this project helps us understand to the topic better and make us realizing the good teamwork and cooperation are very important for success. Thank you. Bye bye.